This is the brand new Ubiquiti G5 PTZ, a much anticipated camera that I have been dying to tell you about ever since they teased us with it at the Ubiquiti World Conference. It has had many leaks over the last several months with a lot of speculation, questions, and hopefully we can answer some of those here today. But first, let's get it unboxed. Where's the tab? There's the tab. Everybody's favorite part. Let's put that over there. As usual, you have the QR code to get you started up top. Open the inside of the box and Ubiquiti's very helpful slide-out tray. And from the get-go, there's the camera, upside, downside, whichever way you want to do it. Okay, starting off, the main attraction, the eyeball. Beep, 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 beep. Exterminate, exterminate. Yeah, hopefully not. All right, let's get to the other things that are in the box here. Let's put that aside for a second. We have a mount here. This has a number of versatile mounting options, which I will get to later on in the video. The one it comes with is just for surface mount. You also, of course, get your standard Ubiquiti mounting template with the handy little level on there, and your pole mount if you wanted to add it on, if you want to mount it to the pole from there. This is just packing. You've got your wall bracket for the pole mount, and it looks like a couple of screws in over here, and then your usual traditional smaller screws, and then even smaller screws. So a whole bunch of mounting options and additional screws here in the box. Let's put this aside. Move this over here. This is a 2K 4 megapixel video resolution because you can't have everything on an affordable PTZ camera. Has 2x optical zoom, 65 feet or 2 meters of IR night vision. It has AI event detections and automatic person tracking, which I look forward to testing out. You can record audio with the integrated microphone, an integrated LED spotlight up on the top here for color night vision. You can connect and power it using PoE+, and it is, of course, weatherproof exposed. Up on the top of the unit here, you've got the Ethernet port where all the magic happens, as well as a reset button and the QR code for adopting it if you want to go that way. And it looks like the security screw hole there as well. Now, this has a whole mess load of different mounting options, as I mentioned before, and you're going to be able to mount it in the ceiling for a real Terminator look. Let's get this plugged in so you can see what that looks like. You can mount it in the ceiling. Ooh, it's moving. It's alive! You can mount it in the ceiling for a real Terminator look. You can surface mount it, pendant mount it, corner mount it, and conduit mount it. Just to give you an idea of what this looks like and how this works. This has a please ensure the rubber grommet is securely fastened to prevent water damage warning on here. So I'm just going to peel that off because I know to follow that so that you can see what's inside here. The way this works is you're going to mount to your flat surface from here, and this is going to pop directly onto the camera like so, and then that's how you'll have your camera mounted down with the space behind it so it's free to spin all the way around and track people around as it goes. The G5 PTZ costs $299 and is available today. However, it will be selling like hotcakes, so if you see it in stock, I recommend you get one as soon as possible. Subscribe for full reviews of this and more.